It's a question a lot of people have, and the answer is a little more complex than a simple yes or no. Can you withdraw US dollars from your TD account? Let's get into it. The short answer is yes, you can. But it depends on your specific situation and where you are. If you're a TD Canada Trust customer, you can withdraw US currency from certain TD ATMs or by visiting a branch. If you have a US dollar account with them, it's a straightforward process, and you don't have to worry about exchange rates. Now, if you're trying to withdraw US dollars from a Canadian dollar account, that's where things get interesting. You can still do it, but you will be subject to currency exchange rates. TD sets its own rates, which can fluctuate. So, the amount of US cash you get will depend on the day's rate. It's important to be aware of this, especially if you're trying to get a specific amount for a trip. What about fees? This is where you need to pay close attention. If you're withdrawing US dollars from a Canadian dollar account at a TD ATM in Canada, there are usually no additional TD fees beyond the exchange rate. But if you're in the US using your TD Access card at a non-TD ATM, you'll likely face a few fees. This can include a TD fee for using a non-TD ATM, plus a fee from the ATM provider itself. And on top of that, you'll still have the foreign currency conversion fee, which is a percentage of your total withdrawal. These fees can add up quickly, so it's always best to be prepared. A great way to avoid some of these costs is to plan ahead. If you need a significant amount of US cash, consider ordering it through TD's foreign exchange services. You can do this online through EasyWeb or the TD app, and then pick it up at a branch. This way, you lock in the exchange rate and can avoid some of the surprises of a last-minute ATM withdrawal. So, yes, you can get US dollars from TD. The easiest way is with a US dollar account or by ordering cash in advance. If you're using a Canadian dollar account, just remember that the exchange rate and potential ATM fees can impact how much you actually receive.